Hi everyone, I'm Carol from Carol's Cricut Crafts. I've been asked several times to show how I use Design Space printable backgrounds with my 3D projects or my shapes. I will be using background images, not pattern fill, to do this. So I thought I'd put together this quick little video to show you how to do it. I did record the video on my iPad, but the process is exactly the same if you're using Design Space on computer. So let's get started. I've taken a pre-designed box from images in Design Space. Have your project ready to cut with the score lines attached and sized as you need it. Keep in mind the size that you're able to print. If I go to images and just search backgrounds, I'm going to get a really large selection of backgrounds. So you probably want to refine your search for a color or a theme, a holiday, whatever it is you're planning for your project. I'm working on Easter projects at the moment, so I'm going to search for bunny backgrounds. They're really adorable. I'll select this blue one. It's gorgeous, bright blue. Add it to my canvas. When this pattern comes into my canvas, it's going to be a 4x4 square. I need to resize it to fit my project or resize my project to fit the background. I'm using letter size in my printer, so I'm going to resize this pattern 6.75 by 9.25. As you can see, that changes the shape of the bunnies, and I want a smaller pattern. So I'm going to change the size to 6.75 by 5 and duplicate it. I align the two together, select both, and flatten. Now they've become one piece. I always put a plain shape behind my print and cut to make sure that there's no negative space that will cut out of the pattern. And some of the backgrounds do have negative space. I've added a square to my canvas and I'm going to resize it to match my background image. I will change it to white. Send it to the back. Select the background and the white shape together, align and center, and flatten. Before you go any further, you want to make sure that your flattened background is the correct size for your specific printer. In this case, I'm going to use 6.75 by 9.25. We're going to place our project in front of the background image. Select both. In this case, I'm going to align and center for my pattern. While both are selected, we're going to attach and we're ready to go. We're going to click Make It, and you can see that the project is all set up, ready to print, score, and cut. Once your image has printed, you'll load it on a mat into your machine, and the box template or whatever 3D project you're making will cut out. Before we're done, I wanted to mention to you, you want to pay attention to the direction of the pattern on your background image. Yesterday I made a project and I used the background image upside down. Thankfully it was only a trial cut for the project, and when I make the ones I need, I'll be sure to watch the direction of the pattern. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't already. Thank you for watching.